how to connect your Zoom H1n to your Android phone. All right, let's get to it. So in order to connect the Zoom, so you can use the mics, which are better quality mics that are on the phone, you're going to need a cable. You need this specific cable, USB micro right there, because that's what the Zoom uses right here. Okay, and then you're going to need this adapter. This is USB-C adapter to regular USB. Okay, and that's going to connect right to your phone. So let's put it all together. First, put the adapter in. Next, we're going to put in USB cable. Okay, next, we're going to connect the Zoom. Now, let's turn on the Zoom. I'm going to show you how to set up your Zoom. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, what you want is this audio IF. Okay, so the arrow's already pointing at it. So all you're going to do is hit the enter button or record button. Okay, it's going to ask you PC or iOS. So it's Android, so you just want to say PC. You gotta turn it on. Now it's going to say bus power or battery. So let's put it on bus power. Okay, now as you can see, the USB IF is showing up. And if I tap on the mics, you can see that it's working. Now let's view the audio as it appears on the recorder. Okay, so we're going to hit record. Okay, so now it's recording. So you can see, so I tap the mic, it is picking up the audio, checking 1, 2, check 1, 2, and I'm really close to my mouth so you can see where it's at. So obviously I'm talking and it's picking up the sound from there. Now if you want to monitor your audio from the recording, you can just connect your headphones to recording right here, still recording. And then you can just put your headphones on. If you put your headphones on, you'll be able to hear exactly the level, and you can adjust the gain right here to what's coming out. You see it's still recording, and I'll probably put that audio in the video afterwards so you can see exactly, you can hear exactly what that sounds like. Okay, hope you found that useful.